We believe there is hope. We are not just trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and the air as well. Who knows the 3 R's of the proper waste disposal? It's the reduce, reuse, and recycle. That's right. Now here comes our lovely bird once again. And they're going to show us how to do the proper waste disposal. So it helps keeps our environment clean and fresh, saves the earth from global warming, and reduces environmental pollution. Now let's come together and say one of greatest creation of God and give of Mother Nature. See, bandit can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy our bird show. And you learned? Well, in our own ways, no matter how small the effort we take, let's take action in saving them from extinction. And please, let's do our part in saving this wonderful world, because remember, this is the only home that we got. Between 1 to 20. Can someone give me numbers from 1 to 20? How much? Number? Isa-isa lang. I heard. Ilan? 7? Okay, 7, sir. How about the second number? I heard 5. 5, right? Okay, 5. So our equation would be 7 plus 5. And we all know the answers, right? But we must not tell the answer yet. Let's see if our great mathematician can solve this equation. But before that, let me shuffle the numbers first. Okay guys, so now the numbers have been shuffled. Let's meet our mathematical wizards. No. Well, snow is our Moluccan kakatsu. Its scientific name is Kakatua molossensis. Indonesia. And they are the largest among the white cockatoos BC. That's why they're called the salmon-crested cockatoo. And also, this bird is very loud and can mimic almost any sound. So tabian kayo ning langgaw mga guys. Almost any sound kaya niyang sundon. Maski mingog sa atong trainer, kaya niyang sundon. Okay, trainer Alfie, our equation is 7 plus 5. Do you think Snow can answer this equation? Confident. Okay, Snow, please solve the equation for us. And she picked the first number, number 3. Are you sure about that, Snow? Okay, can we get another equation, please? Galibong katawan. Okay guys, after the reshuffle, sorry. Okay, give me another number, please. Let's see. Kung isa kamay, kunoy isa unsaon pag-solve balik ng pira. Okay, stop. Please solve the equation for us. Okay, kaya daw, kaya. And she picked the first number. Okay. Para kahiyag-kahiyag nila. Kahiyag kong maon. Okay, stop. Off to the second number. So Snow really loves math. Sometimes ang host ay dili. And there you go. She answered correctly. How about a round of applause for mathematical research? So 10 plus 8. Dominican are scientifically known as alias stories. They are locally known as Lawin or Banong in the Visayas region. So these birds can be found in Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they're known as red-backed sea eagles. So Makabantay mo guys, ituyok siya. It's because opposite ang hangin, yapak siya dili sa kilid. And did you know that this bird indulges kleptoparasitism? It's an ability where this bird can obtain other animals' food without exerting much effort, time, and energy. And also in the world of birds of prey, females are usually larger than the males because females have a better position in nesting and rearing behaviors. So there you go for Brahminic Kingdom. Philippine serpent eagle are scientifically known as Milornis monospilus. This bird can be easily distinguished through well-defined spots on their body, and they have a yellow base. And as you can see, our trainer above there is using a black gloves. It's called the Falcony Gauntlet. So it is used to protect our skin from their sharp talons and beaks. There you go for a Philippine serpent eagle, ready. And did you know that they are called